Hello guys, I'm Marlon S. Antonio. I'm here to discuss about list push front. So let's define what is list first. Lists are sequence containers that allows constant time insert and erase operations anywhere within the sequence and iteration in both directions. So this means that you can insert and erase operation anywhere within the sequence in the list, but it depends on the type of list that you're going to use. Then the iteration means that it is the repetition of process within the list. Next is that list containers are implemented as doubly linked lists. So doubly linked list is that it is a link that connects all the elements within the list, either preceding or following it. So let's go to our syntax declaration and library use. So we can see here sharp include list. This is our library when we use list. So list in object name variable. Object name is the name that you will give to your list. Then list double colon iterator object name. So we also need to name our iterator. So let's go to our program. So here our first program. So as we can see here, the usual library use, iostream, and windows.h. So here's our list. So as we can see here, I don't use the using namespace as std, so I need to declare it within the main. So the name of list is my list. So there's are two before 100. We will see what it's used with, what it's gonna do to 100. So here's my you can also name your iterator within this condition or before this. So the name of my iterator is it is equal to my list that begin. So my begin is this, the 100. So then it should not be equal to my list that end. The end my list that end is 300. So if this condition is true, then plus it, then the space also count, and we call the it. So let's run our program. So as we can see here, 300, 200, 100, 100 is the output. So the 100 should be the first one in this sequence, but we use the push front to 200, so it becomes so the 200 is in front of 200. And also, so we see that the 2 means that it's going to post or output how many value that you're going to put in this side, or we can say this is the end value. So and also, so come back. So we also use push prompt for 300. So now it is the first in the sequence. So let's go to our next program. So now I using namespace std, declare int I, and name my list as space. So here's the condition, I equals to 0, then I less than 20, I plus plus. So space push front I. So here again our iterator, name it, then begin. The begin is 0. Then the end is 19 because we only use less than 20 and not less than equals to 20. So let's run it. So as we can see, the output is 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So the 0 should be the first, but in every input, it's going to push it to the front. So the statement's going to be like last in, last out. 19 is the last in, but it's going to be last out because of push front. It's been pushed to the front of so the use of push front is that it insert an element to the front of list. So that is the basics that we need to know about this push front. And also there is a deck push front in C++. So you only need deck. You only need to change list to deck. It's all the same. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.